Today, we'll reveal some amazing rope techniques that most people have never heard of. Whether you're camping, fishing, or just need to secure something at home, these simple but powerful knot tricks will transform how you work with rope. Without further ado, let's get started. First, we'll show you several simple ways to cut rope without it unraveling. Wrap the future cutting spot with electrical tape and cut the rope right through it. Use a heat gun to melt the rope fibers and make the tape adhere tightly. You can also use a lighter instead of a heat gun. Be careful when working with fire and avoid ignition. After melting, gently press the tip. And the last method, wrap the cutting spot with regular Scotch tape and cut the rope together with it. Any of these methods will help keep the rope end neat and prevent it from unraveling during storage and use. So let's start with a simple knot that can be tied quickly and easily. The next knot can tighten itself and has a moving part. And this knot you can easily untie just by pulling the rope end. The next knot also unties easily when you pull the end. And this knot is probably one of the strongest knots. The next knot is usually used by fishermen to tie fishing line to a hook. But this knot can also be useful in household tasks, especially since it's quite simple. And here's how to quickly make a loop to securely attach the rope to something, like a hook. The next knot will come in handy to quickly and firmly tie two ropes together. And this knot might be useful in nature to tie up a bundle of firewood, for example. And now we'll show you how to connect two loops together. The next knot might be useful for repairing damaged rope. And another version of a knot for repairing damaged rope. And here's how you can quickly and easily connect two ropes together. The next knot will help you to securely tie up a bag. And another option for connecting ropes together. And here's how you can make a convenient rope handle for a large and heavy bottle. and a similar knot for a small plastic bottle.